Recording.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Recording is on. Recording is on. Now, black to move. Everybody can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Everybody can see the screen.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now it is black's move. Find the discovered attack.
They joined with you. I got it.
Yeah. Tell me.
Pawn to D4.
Pawn to d4 is a, yeah. Pawn to d4 is a perfect discovered attack because pawn is attacking knight and bishop is attacking. Yeah. Rook. You cannot save both.
Mobile से connect करो.
Correct. And the continuation is taking out the knight. Perfect. Black to move. Yes. Anybody?
So I can try.
Arav, yes.
So rook to E2.
Rook to e2. What is black's move, right? Rook to e2.
Yes.
Rook to e2 is not possible. I will tell you why, of course, but not now. Let everybody try.
Sir,
Hartej, हाँ अवनी बोल.
rook to D4.
Rook to d4. Rook to d4 is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Because moving rook, Arav also found it. Moving rook is correct because you are attacking on white rook. So that's correct. But where to? Because white should not get time to save his piece. Otherwise, there is no meaning. The direct attack and discovered attack two are the same then. Discovered attack should be such that there you are creating now two attacks different. One is a bigger and one is little lesser. So all attention will go in saving the bigger one and you get that lesser piece. Here basically attack when you move rook over here e2 because this rook is not big is this. This is the big attack creation. So but the less this is a better one. Now you are attacking queen. So everybody will go for saving the queen and you get this very easily. In all earlier problems, we saw there was a king involved. Now little bit focus is different. Now king is not involved, but instead of king, sometimes what we have seen is that queen is involved. So threat has to be there on some bigger piece. That is king and queen are bigger pieces. White to move.
Knight
Yes,
to
knight
G4.
where?
G4. Knight to G4.
Knight to
G4.
G4.
Knight to G4 is wrong.
Yeah. Bishop is attacking.
Bishop is there. So bishop will take the knight. Rook will take the rook check and bishop will come back. So it is only.
Then knight can move to F7.
Correct. Knight can move to F7. Now here is the big thing. Yeah. Then you get this. In earlier case also you are losing this, and in this case also you are losing this. Both are equal.
But now we can save it, no?
You can save it. Yeah. No, now you cannot save. Now still it is black's turn. No? So black will kill the knight. So
So instead
both
of
in both the cases, let me take this to the demo board. Yeah. Can you see all of you? Now,
Yes, sir.
when this
Yes,
comes
sir.
over here, we said this is big trouble, right? Still we could kill this, and again this will go back. So one has the same. Okay. And when we said this over here, what is the difference? This will come over here, and then this kills. Then this kills. What is the difference? No
we take the
difference.
rook. No,
No,
rook घेतला जातो ना.
no, earlier also rook, you are getting rook. Bishop takes this, no? And then your rook takes rook, check, and then bishop goes back. So instead of queen over here, in earlier case, queen is over here. That is the only difference. That is the only difference. So no difference basically. Attacking on the queen in both the cases is equal. So something they have done wrong. The program is wrong somewhere. But what we did, we did this, right? It says right. And then this. Let us go ahead. Forget, because you are either way you are getting rook by giving your knight. So 2 points more. White to move. Create discovered attack.
Sir, can I tell?
Who is that? No, Hartej, I want. Yes, Hartej.
Bishop to d7.
Bishop to
d7.
d7. Yeah, that is fantastic. I was thinking of that only. But the answer, yeah, correct. Attacking on the queen and attack. Now play the continuation. What you will play?
The queen will take bishop.
No, rook has played. No, rook takes rook. Black has played rook takes rook. Then what you will play?
Bishop take queen.
Will take
Bishop
the
take
queen.
queen. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Then take the rook also.
Yeah. No, rook is well supported by the pawn. Queen cannot take the rook.
No, not queen, the bishop. The bishop could have taken this.
Bishop could have taken. Bishop could take the next attack. He has to move the rook. Black to move.
Pawn e6.
Perfect. It took time for me also. It is absolutely right because both they cannot support each other, both the knights, and now attack is on both the knights. Now this is forced move. You have to take this knight because there is a check. You don't have any option of taking another knight. So this is forced. This is forced. Yeah, Ishan, tell me. Ishan. Ishan, are you there, beta? ईशान झोपला की काय?
आहे का पण?
हा आहे तो आहे हलतोय पण तो झोपल्यावर का वाटतंय मला. पण दुपारची झोप लागली. No, it is Hans now. Hans or Dhairya? Hans. Next is
Yes,
Dhairya.
sir.
Come on.
So, black, no? One minute.
Yeah, black to move.
Getting 3 attacks at a time. Angu?
So, knight,
Yeah, wait.
f6, knight to g4.
No.
No.
Dhairya.
Can I tell?
Dhairya.
Sir, D5 pawn to D6. D4.
D4.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Because bishop is attacking the rook. He is attacking the rook.
Bishop is attacking the rook. But at the same time, the pawn is attacking the bishop as well as the knight.
But here, this is not a so good thing because you lose pawn as well as you lose bishop. So you lose total 4 points. And you are getting only 5 points in the process. So somewhat ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
But bishop will also be losing. Rook will attack the bishop.
Yeah.
Host.
Yeah. Now who is the host?
Sir, you are the host.
Yeah. Okay, I will change the network. Just a moment. Let me see. Change the network. So I don't think there will be a problem now. Yeah.
Recording the guy?
Yeah, recording is going on. So everybody can see the screen now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. White to move. difficult.
So can I say?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
वो rook sir rook to e1.
Rook to e1. Rook to e1 is not a discovered attack. It is direct attack. I want it a discovered attack.
Okay, sir.
So knight to e6.
Knight to e6. Knight to e6 is certainly a good attack. Perfect. Knight to e6 is correct. Attacking on this pawn and queen. Because this pawn is already under pressure. So when queen comes over here, it is a
Sir,
knight.
another pawn it can also kill.
Which one?
Sir, d6.
D6 pawn can kill. No, D6 cannot kill.
Sir, I am telling queen can kill both.
Queen can kill both. Yeah, this and this. That is right. But this pawn is well supported. So never think of this. When what you are getting and what you are losing, all the time this should be applied in your mind. And wherever you are getting less points or a loss, such things should not now occur to you also. There are of course few exceptions. Sometimes points are less, but you get good position. But that we will study later.
But now
That
if
is
we
all.
take the knight to e6, hello,
Yes,
then
yes.
the knight will be killed by the pawn.
Knight
Then
will
the
be killed by
queen
the
will
pawn.
go to
Then
then the queen will go to there and then it's checkmate.
checkmate. See, now attack is on this.
Yeah.
He has
Yeah.
to
Okay.
save
Okay.
this. So
The bishop
saving
is
can be this
supporting.
way.
Bishop is supporting.
Yeah,
Mhm.
or this bishop
The
also.
bishop.
Then checkmate. So it is a forced. Actually, in this particular position, black saves the mate and gives the queen. That is a better option. This was like this, right? So if this comes, then this has to be saved. So the correct move is this. And then you kill this and he kills this. This is the better. And game goes on. Still playable. Still playable. Black to move. Easy this is.
Yeah. Knight to e5.
Sir, can I say?
Knight to e5.
to
Knight to e5, sir.
E5. No, f5.
F5. Knight to F5. Perfect. Here what you have seen a similarity between all the problems is that when you discover attack on someone and there is a second attack on another piece, this both the pieces which are under attack, they cannot help each other. In every case, you will see both are individually attacked and wherever they go for saving, they cannot save each other. That is the common thing. Then you get this. Fine. White to move.
But what you said now, that is an usual funda. What? Once this happens,
Yeah,
it's
usual
an
funda.
okay.
Usual funda because when king is involved, king is also very far off. If king is near, and if king moves and helps the other piece, then you won't get that other piece freely. And you
Sir,
will have
can
to
I
give
say,
something.
Sir, can I say?
There are,
Sir, can I say?
yeah, yeah.
Sir, can I
Yes,
say?
Ishan,
Okay,
Ishan,
nice.
Ishan, Ishan.
Sir, bishop to h7.
Bishop to h7, check. Okay. Then what will happen?
Met.
No, king will go to h8.
No. F. No, sir. It
Yeah.
will go to f7
No,
now.
it cannot go because the
Huh.
knight is attacking. No, it will be a met.
Why not?
Oh, no.
If
No, it will go to
no,
h8. h8.
King will go to h8.
Yeah.
So it is saved.
No. See, if this instead of hello.
Yes. Tell me.
हाँ
Manisha, tell me.
बिशपला मागे पुढे केलं वर खाली तर डायरेक्ट दिस क्वीन कॅन अटॅक दिस h7 position.
So that means what you are saying, this check.
No. Bishop is not going there. Bishop is
Then-
not going there. But if bishop
then-
is moving some to this down position beside the
Where?
pawn, then
Here?
yeah, whatever
If-
the other opponent plays, if this queen
No.
goes to this,
Yeah. Other
H7.
opponent will play this.
huh,
Or even other opponent may play this.
okay.
Sir, I have, sir, checkmate.
Show me. What Ishan said is this check. Then this check, this cannot go over here. Okay?
Yeah, because the knight was there.
Knight is there. Knight
That
is there.
was there.
So it goes over here. What next? You can't check this because this will get killed. Then what? You check, this comes over here, then
Now,
this.
if the
सर व्हाईट साइड एकदम भारी मूव आहे सांगू जर आपण जर बिशप तिकडे ठेवला आणि क्वीनने
Okay.
चेक दिला तर मेट होईल
पण बिशप तिकडे ठेवल्यानंतर आणि क्वीनने चेक
हो मेट होईल ना
दिल्यानंतर
मग मेट होईल ना सर
या बट मध्ये ब्लॅक खेळतो ना पण
ब्लॅकचा गेम
हो.
आहे ना.
ते पण तर आहे
ही मूव चांगली आहे. मी जी आता सजेस्ट केली ना, चेक नंतर हा इथे ठेवला तर ब्लॅक काय करणार? ब्लॅकने जर का हे मारलं तरी हा चेकमेट
मेट होईल ना सर
आणि ब्लॅकने हे मध्ये आणलं
तर
समजा
मेट नाही होणार
तर पण हा मारतो ना पण हा
हो.
मारतो परत हा मेटिंगचा चान्स आहे मग
हम्म.
हा हे मारतो. आता हा सपोर्टला आला ना इकडे कुठेही
हो
सो मेट नाही होते
ओके सर
तर ते वाईस वर्षा असतं तर झालं असतं म्हणजे
एक मूव कमी पडते एक मूव कमी पडते
नाही बिशप क्वीनच्या जागी आणि क्वीन बिशपच्या जागी असतं तर मग हे
हा वा रे वा मग कशाला मग डायरेक्ट क्वीन येऊन चेक करेल. वा सगळं तुमच्या मनासारखं पाहिजे का? बट प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह नाही झालाय. प्रॉब्लेम इज नॉट सॉल्व्ड. You are not discovering yet. See, two pieces in one line, they can create a discovered attack provided one of the piece go out of that line. Try to understand this. In every problem we have seen two pieces in one line, and when you move one piece, of these two pieces that is out of that line. Here, these two pieces are in one line. And this is not going out of the line. So there is no discovery coming. You have to go out of the line here. This could be a discovered, but this is the best discovered. Check is the best discovery. Now you have kept this option open. And at the same time, check is there. How the check can be prevented? This way, number one, or this way.
The pawn can kill the bishop. Yeah.
Pawn can kill the bishop, and then this is a mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if pawn doesn't kill the bishop,
सांगू
yeah.
सर आपण
If
आता
pawn-
चेक आहे ना सर तर आहे ना आपण किंगला हरवलं आणि मग नाईटला
कुठे-
नाईट
कुठे हलवणार?
चेकमेट होईल ना.
हा नाही, किंगला जर का इथे हलवलं तर डायरेक्ट हा चेकमेट आहेच आहे.
आणि नाईट पण आहे ना. पण हा
नाईट काय करणार?
रूक
नाईट
मारेल
काहीच
ना.
नाही करू शकत. नाईट काय, नाईट म्हणा आधी चेक आहे ना राजा. नाईटला मारायला चान्सच नाही ना आता. चेक मुळे काय होतंय, एंटायर अटेन्शन इज ऑन दिस
Yes.
bishop. Now you cannot kill this knight. The second method is this comes. Then still this check. Then this over here. Still this checkmate. You understood? Or better is, in fact, for you people, the better is you have to kill this. But if you kill this, then it is saved. So no better. Check, queen check is much better. Then this comes over here. This will kill. If this comes over here, this will kill. This is bad. So queen check is most important. You have to give check with the queen. Understood? Everybody understood this?
No, sir.
Yeah. White to move. Two piece in line.
So can I say?
Yes.
So knight to e5.
Knight to e5. Perfect. Absolutely. Two piece in line. This piece and this piece, they are in line, and knight is going away. Now the attack is on bishop. Perfect.
Bishop to bishop.
And yeah, and attack is on was on queen also. So black has
Queen,
moved the
yeah.
queen. So next is, so you have to find two pieces in one line and move away from the line. Very easy to find it now. White to move. Dhairya, can you? Dhairya, Avani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try this problem.
Sir, knight to e4.
Knight to e4.
Yes, sir, correct.
Correct. Knight to e4 is correct? No, I don't think so. Knight to e4,
Yeah.
bishop,
Attack.
bishop takes knight,
Bishop will kill.
bishop takes knight, and check is there. So white has to move king or kill bishop, and then black gets chance, opportunity to save.
तर मी सांगू.
Yes. No, 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 no,
Okay,
no,
sir.
Ishan, no.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I want this to be solved by Hartej. If not Hartej, Dhairya. Manisha.
आणि कुठल्याही बाजूला ठेवलं ना नाही तर rook is attacking it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, C5 knight to D3.
D5 knight to D3. There is a C5 knight to D3.
Yes, sir.
C5 knight to D3 is wrong because
Attack on the
rook
pawn,
will
but that is
move.
also
Rook will
supported.
move. Yeah,
Sir,
rook
but,
gets support.
Yes.
This one you are saying, no?
Yes, sir.
No, wrong. Because now attack is on rook. That is true. But there is no other attack, no? Second attack is not created. Second attack is on pawn and pawn is
Okay, sir.
supported. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Shri Kirtan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you?
Okay,
Or
sir.
Hans?
Understand. Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. Hans?
The knight E6.
Sir, I am thinking.
The knight
Knight
E6.
where?
E6.
Knight E6 is correct. Knight E6 is absolutely right. See, knight E6 means even though the pawn is killing, if pawn kills, you get the rook. But if pawn doesn't kill it, then you have option of queen to G7 checkmate.
But why the bishop is that rook is there? It will also attack.
Who? Show me.
The rook will
Wait.
attack.
I will just transfer this to our demo board. 1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute. Less than 1 minute remaining.
Yeah, you have to rejoin. No?
Sir, end the meeting.
Yeah, rook kills, as you said, and then you can kill this. No? Even rook kills or pawn kills, whatever, but you are getting rook 100%. See, I will show you.
Sir, after that term.
Yeah.